Boosted Vega Racing channel. I know it's been a minute. Finally tied up, finishing up with my old house, closing on it here in a couple weeks. We had to do a lot of little odds and ends things, which kept me busy. Between it and work, I haven't had much time to make content, and I apologize. It's going to get better as soon as we get closed up here. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. Do a little woodworking project. I'm no carpenter, but I have drank a beer with a guy named Bob before. So I have some standard length studs here, 8 foot long. I'm going to cut them at 5 foot, so that'll give me a 5 foot rise with a 3 foot T that I can put at the bottom to stand it upright. Then I'll take some chipboard plywood, whatever you want to call it, screw it together. I'm going to make a stand-up style target. Of course, I'll have to cross brace the top and bottom, but just something that you could staple a paper target to take the shooting range or whatever, sight your gun in. Something different. I got a shoot coming up here in like a week or so, so it'll just be something to take with us to use. So it'll be pretty fun. So let's get started. Mark these here, 60 inches. Cut 2 of these. I've never made one of these before, but I mean, it can't be rocket science. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so what I have here is a piece of scrap 7/16 OSB chipboard, whatever you want to call it. This is left over from where I built like a workbench and stuff like that. So I've never built one of these targets before. I don't know, but it's already 2 foot. I think that's plenty wide. So I think I'm gonna go 32 inches long and just use one of these pre-made lines already on it. I mean, you could go narrower, I guess, like 18 inches or whatever, but I don't really want to cut up a bunch of stuff. I already have it, might as well use it. I mean, heck, you could always put 2 targets on it or like one of the big silhouette targets. So, all right, let's get this cut and we'll continue back on. Cool. All right. This probably ain't gonna take 15-20 minutes to make it, but it's gonna take me an hour because I gotta keep getting stuff out of totes, screws, and where's your drill, where's your impact. It's tough moving. It definitely isn't fun. And you got all the little projects you gotta do around the new house, kind of make it the way you want it when you first move in. So, needless to say, I've been busy. but that's all right. I couldn't ask for a better home. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love my shop. We just gotta get it sorted out. All right, got some construction screws here. I think these are 1.5 inches. I don't know. 2 inch, probably a little long. That's the way I like to roll. A little pokey, barely. That's all right. We'll run them at an angle, shorten them up. I'm sure that there's carpenters out there freaking out right now, but that's okay. Because I'm not going to go out and buy $12 worth of screws just for one project. The correct length screw for me is the ones that I have. So there's that. Now, flip it over and get my measurement. Like 17. So I think I'm gonna put them flat on the ground. I mean, vertical would be stronger, but flat I think would make it more stable. So standard 2x4 is 1.5 inches wide. So we'll come on the edge of center there, 3/4 of an inch. So that put us 17 1/4. All right, I went in the house and grabbed these targets to show you guys kind of the gist of it. So, I mean, obviously there's like a silhouette one's a little bigger anyway, but which is fine because it'll fit. But here's like one for sighting in. But you guys get the point. Quick, cheap, easy. Couple of staples, thumbtacks, what have you. You guys are good to go. So again, it's just a quick, simple project, something to do. Get out here in the shop, in the garage yourself, get yourself something built, something accomplished. I think I got, I don't know, what would it be? $30-40 bucks worth of materials here, but realistically it's not nothing, because this is all leftover stuff from whenever I built my workbenches and a couple shelves. It's all scrap stuff that was left over. So I think we're 2.5 2x4s in it, and a quarter sheet worth of OSB board at most. So pretty inexpensive. This thing should last a good while. Content's coming. We have something big in the works here in the next couple weeks. I'm pretty excited about. I'm sure everyone on the channel is going to love it. Stay tuned. We're going to get back on the content creating and get more stuff posted and out there. So until next time, thanks for watching the Boost of Vega Racing channel. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button, share it with a friend, and we'll see you guys next week. Thanks.